Do you want to remove the green dot that is appearing at the side of your screen when you access camera or microphone on your phone? Scroll down and tap on the gear icon or go to your settings and make sure you turn on the developer options. Scroll down and at last you can see the developer options. Tap on it and scroll down again. Here you can see quick setting developer tiles. Tap on it and you can see census of total option on the third last. You may turn it on and go back to your home page and scroll down. Then enable the option. Then there you have it. When you turn on your camera, you can get the green dot. And if you don't want it, you may just follow the tutorial that I just showed you. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.